We are dedicated to bringing the latest solution. Prophet Noah is bringing you this for free.
Have you been suffering from bad luck? Have you been struggling without anything to show for it? Have you you've been into lotteries and nothing is happening? It seems as if maybe you have enmity with money. Yes, listen, today you'll learn what I call the GoodLuck oil. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're listening to my voice from. My name is Prophet Noah Emiko from the Solution Arena. I'm here with this one. It's a very quick one, very quick one here. Today you'll be learning how to make it by yourself. GoodLuck oil. If you are someone that plays bets, you play bets and things are not really going well for you, try this one. It will go well for you. But before we do that, I want us to remember that on the 1st of February, I'll be going on a mountain, and everybody will need to come along with me. If you're not coming along with me, which means you are sending your prayer requests. Yes, send your prayer request along. And when I come down from the mountain on the 4th, because I'll be coming down on the 4th. On the 4th, I'll be coming down. Then on the 5th of February, we shall be visiting the orphanage home. Yes, we're going to put a smile on the face of children. And in my last video, I told us what to do after we have done this particular work. After you've supported this mission. Yes. Or if you are here in Warri Delta State, here in Nigeria, you can come along with me. We'll go together. But if you're not here and you want to support the mission, I'll be dropping on the description link below the details how you can send your support. And on the screen here, I'll be displaying it in a short while, and it goes here. So you can support from Nigeria here. You see the GT account there. If you are from Ghana, you see the MTN Mobile Money there. And if you are from any part of the world, whether in US, UK, India, and what have you, China, you can also use PayPal to make your support. You can send your support via PayPal. And as you do this, God will bless you, because you are putting a smile on somebody's face, on a child's face. Now back to what we want to do. Yeah. You'll get original coconut oil. Original coconut oil, please. I repeat, original coconut oil, please. Original one. And you get 3 spiritual calories. 3 spiritual calories. When I say spiritual calories, I mean spiritual calories. There is a calorie that you use for plating of hairs, for fashion, not that one. Please, the one that actually came from the river. That's what you will be needing. Spiritual calories. You need 3 of it. And orange peel powder. Orange peel powder. Yes, you need that. That is, in short, this is a major thing that you need here. Orange peel powder. Very important, please, guys. Orange peel powder. And a stick of white candle. A stick of white candle. That's all that you need for this recipe. Yes, very simple. A stick of white candle. Now, how do you prepare this? You get a white container, clean white container, and you pour your coconut oil inside it, either a bottle container or a bowl. Then you put the 3 calories inside. You take a spoonful of the orange peel powder and you pour into it, and that is it. Then you light your white candle. Do this prayer at night before you sleep. Just begin to pray. Say your intentions over it. Say you want this oil. When you start to use it, you want it to transform your life. You want money to begin to be coming. You want those lotto that you have been playing, those lotteries, to begin to work out for you. You want your best to begin to work out for you. When you've said all of those, place the candle in front of the container. Allow it burn down. When it has burnt down, cover that container. Keep it in a place where nobody will see it for 7 days. In a place, I repeat, in a place where nobody will see it for 7 days. In your house. After the 7th day, bring it out and start to use it. For those that are playing lotteries and the rest, you rub it on your palm, because your palm that you use to, your hand that you use to do your bet and the rest, you rub it on your hands, and that is it. Yes, that is it. For those that are you need favor, you can rub it on your face, on your head. Rub it on your head, not all of your body, just on your hand, your head, your face. That's all. Very, very simple. And you come back, testify. Please, when those things start working for you, please come back here and testify, so that people will know that yes, there is God in heaven and the universe are beginning to be answering our prayers. God bless you till we meet again. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like our content. Bye for now.